Benneston, the club finished fourth in our first season back in the Pro League, and now for the second season you've taken this step. How significant is this, and what does it say about the ambition of the club?
So I think first of all, I would like to thank Benneston for signing, and not only 1 year but 3 years. I don't know how we have managed to do it. I think he's on the same wavelength as the vision what we had set for the club going forward. So hopefully we can go a long way. He can make a mark in Indian football and as well as take the club forward. It's a very significant big day for the CFS group as well as PAX of Nagoa Sports Club. I think we have a very clear vision going forward, and we look forward to it. There will be many more signings to come in the next 2 or 3 weeks. I think about 4 or 5 more to come, big signings, and we. I hope we'll achieve this vision which we have set forward with all the signings. Regarding this thing last season, the foundations were already laid by the boys. As I've said, we were hoping for a top 5 finish, but we came fourth. Unfortunately, we came fourth. We know where the points were, and this signing will hopefully plug this in one of them. Yeah, and I think it's a very great signing. For us as a group.
First season back in the Pro League, the team scored 46 goals, which was the third best record in the league. And now you're adding Benneston to that mix. So what does he bring to the team that you are lacking?
See, Benneston coming into the first of all, I would like to congratulate him because being a player from his own village and he has joined the village club. We are very much happy, and myself, especially me, I'm very much delighted to work with him because, boss said, he make a mark. He has already done a mark in Indian football, and a player of his caliber joining us means definitely those 46 and Benneston will make a lot of difference in that, which we missed last year.
Big role at this club. You have grown up here. You played your youth football here. Then you left. Now you're coming back with 2 I-League trophies, 1 Goa Pro League title also under your belt. How excited are you joining your boyhood club?
It's good to play for village club, and boss was trying to bring me here last 3 years. So स्कूल आसतना मुझे गोलकीपर खेळटालो स्कूल आसतना देन पॅक्सा खेळपा लागलो अंडर 12 अंडर 14 पॅक्सा खेळपा लागलो सो तेन्ना गोलकीपर आसलो देन डॅडी म्हणटालो एक टायम गोलकीपर तूं एक टायम स्ट्रायकर इंजर्ड जालो सो त्या म्हणून तूं स्ट्रायकर खेळ सो तेन्ना ते स्ट्रायकर खेळपा स्टार्ट केलो सो तेन्ना सो मुगे हें जालें थिंगसो खेळ मागीर फर्स्ट डिविजन खेळूंक गेलो थ्रू एका गोंय ताका फर्स्ट डिविजन खेळूंक गेलो फर्स्ट डिविजन एंड मागीर ऑफर येयलो म्हाका पॅक गोंयगा वास्कोसो मागीर 2 वर्स गार्डन एंजला गेलो खेळपाक 2 वर्स गार्डन एंजलाचो मागीर ऑफर येयली गोकुल आमचो थिंगसो मागीर फर्स्ट एका चॅम्पियन जालो आय लीग चॅम्पियन थिंगसो मागीर सेकेंड इयर टेम्पो येयलो टेम्पो प्रो लीग चॅम्पियन जालो मागीर परत हिंगा महोदय ऑफर येयलो थिंग वचून थिंग फर्स्ट कोलकाता लीग जिखले पयलो मागीर थिंगसो मागीर रोखडे आय लीग चॅम्पियन जालो सो आतां परत येयला विलेज क्लब खेळपाक आनी ड्रीम आहा ती विलेज क्लब मागीर आय लीग खेळपाक.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.